Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to the Lexus Electrified Sport. This amazing concept is our vision for a full electric, high-performance sports car capable of accelerating to 100 kilometers per hour in a little bit more than 2 seconds. It also showcases a new evolution of our design language, matching superior aerodynamics with intriguing elegance and attention to the smallest details. When you have the chance to take a closer look at this model later today, you will see it really is a work of art. The dynamic capability of the electrified sport will, of course, be developed on the racetrack, and it will benefit from our relentless search for the ultimate performance in motorsports.
This new project all started with some Lexus engineers reflecting on what they liked about traditional IC vehicles and what they would have to miss out on with electric cars. Manual transmission was one thing they enjoyed in particular. There is nothing more engaging for a passionate driver than to be able to shift gears for the right amount of torque at any time. So we thought, let's do this. We took a current generation UX300E and turned it into a manual EV prototype. We added a shift knob, a clutch pedal, and a tachometer. And we created a simulated drive force map with pedal and shift positions to reproduce the feeling of a manual transmission. This delivered so much fun that this project is now under serious development, and it might actually be on some of our future BEVs. From the outside, this vehicle is as quiet as any other BEV. But the driver is able to experience all the sensations of a manual transmission vehicle, including the possibility to stall, to roll back on a hill start if the clutch is not engaged, and of course, engine sound. Here is a short video to show you. The only element that they did not reproduce is the smell of petrol. On a more serious note, this system is really opening new doors. Since it is software-based, we were able to reproduce the driving experience of various vehicles and let drivers select their favorite mapping. Looking at the bigger picture, this system would only be one of many on the electrified sport that would be fully managed by software. Others include direct-4, steer-by-wire, and brake-by-wire. This would let us create new level of customization, delivering a personalized experience for each driver. This is just another way of radically enhancing the appeal of BEVs as performance sports cars. Of course, I cannot tell you when we will be launching a production vehicle based on the electrified sport, but I can confirm that we are working on it. This is not just a design concept. It is meant to become reality. Now,